Hey everyone, are Netflix notifications popping up on your Google TV when you don't want them? Or maybe you're missing alerts for new shows. This happens because notifications are enabled by default for Netflix, or because Google TV automatically pushes app notifications unless you manage them. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn Netflix notifications on or off by yourself. Let's get started. From your TV home menu, use your TV remote to navigate to the settings gear icon. Now select. Scroll down a bit. Go to apps. From here, scroll down to see all apps and open it. Find and select Netflix from the list. Inside the Netflix app settings, scroll down to notifications. Toggle this on if you want to receive alerts. Toggle this off to stop them. And that's it. You can now control Netflix notifications on your Google TV all by yourself. If this tutorial helps you out, then hit like, subscribe for more Google TV tips, and comment below which apps notifications you want me to cover next. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.